Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today we are going to learn 10 lines on Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is a famous monument in Mumbai, India. It was built in 1924 to welcome King George V and Queen Mary to India. The monument is made of yellow basalt and stands tall near the Arabian Sea. It is shaped like a large arch and is very beautiful to look at. Many tourists visit the Gateway of India to take pictures and enjoy the view. It is located next to the famous Taj Mahal Hotel in Mumbai. Boats and ferries can be seen near the monument, adding to its charm. The Gateway of India is an important part of India's history and culture. It is a popular spot for families and school trips. Visiting the Gateway of India is a fun and educational experience for kids. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.